Hello, everyone. This is your future teacher. My name is Jared. I'm a native English speaking South African, and I'm also a qualified TEFL tutor with several years' experience. I've helped hundreds of students from A1 to C1 achieve their goals with general and business English, get them ready for day to day conversation, and improve their confidence. Maybe you just want to improve your fluency, expand your vocabulary, or like I said, feel more confident. I'm the tutor for you, and I can help you achieve these goals with tailored, planned lessons to make sure that we have a structured class and that you reach the levels and the goals that you want to achieve. Please feel free to read the reviews on my profile left by fellow students like yourself to see the results and the progress we've made together. Also, please feel free to book a trial lesson so we can meet and discuss your goals. I look forward to meeting you and please have a fantastic day.